versus Daniel Ramos Balderas. Can I have parties announced for the record?
State.
Ben Daggett, Daniel Monteros.
And are you Mr. Balderas?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so are you all proceeding with your contested hearing?
Appeal.
All right. So I'm showing you, Mr. Balderas, what is entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Daniel Ramos Balderas who's placed on deferred adjudication in 2024? Thank you. CR 2985 for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on June 24th, 2024 for a period of 2 years. Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 1, on or about the 23rd day of August 2025 in Kendall County, Texas, the defendant Daniel Ramos Balderas committed the offense of evading arrest in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, ma'am.
State will waive the remaining.
Any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, the proposed agreement is to grant state's motion, enter an adjudication of guilt and sentence to 14 months in the state jail facility.
All right, and what is happening with the evading arrest case and the theft case?
So.
Oh, those are out of Kendall?
Yes, Judge, I spoke with the Kendall County prosecutor and was given permission to plead true to this evading, and then they asked that all the others be handled in Kendall County.
All right. Could you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Daniel Ramos Balderas.
All right. So what have you done since you've been on probation?
I completed 9 months of GPS monitor with no violations. I was given 120 hours of community service, but was waived if I would to get my GED or diploma. I got my high school diploma. I completed my theft court class, level 2. My UAs, I was coming out clean. I only had about 1 negative UA. Other than that, I haven't had no violations my whole time on probation. While I was on monitor, no violations as well. I was on curfew on time, was paying all my monthly fees on time, and I was also employed as well, working my whole time, and I was basically done with everything on probation. I was just waiting for my officer she was going to request the early termination on probation, but we never fell through with it.
All right, probation
Yes, Judge.
is what is the information he's given me true? So where did you go wrong? And I don't want you to talk about your other cases because I don't want you to cause your other attorney to not have certain defenses.
Yes, ma'am.
But I'm trying to find out if there was something else we could have done for you where you would have been successful.
I mean, I was pretty successful myself. I feel like I just put myself in a situation that I wasn't really I just wasn't in the right state of mind at the time, and I wasn't thinking about the consequences at the time, and I was just around some people that really were just not part of my circle or anything.
And what did I tell you? about consequences and making better decisions.
Yes, Your Honor.
So are you asking me to follow this agreement?
I mean, I would like to get reinstated, but if I can't, I mean, I would.
No,
Like
and,
it
and let
is.
me just tell you why, because I don't like people to think that I just do things haphazardly.
Yes, Your Honor.
The reason why is number one, you have these other cases that are pending from another county. So there's nothing, no class that I can give you because you're going to be in limbo because you have these other cases out of the other county.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So, how much time does he have in? Does anybody know? All right, thank you.
It was August 23rd that he was, since he was a Kendall County judge.
Okay. But I can tell you, if you don't start making better decisions in your life is going to be over. How old are you?
20 years old.
You're 20. I can tell you based upon my experience, once you hit 21, everybody thinks, yay, let me have my first drink. I'm 21. Let me celebrate. But once you hit 21, the years start coming so fast. You look up, you're in your 50s. And if you don't get back on the right track, it's not going to go well for you. You're going to end up becoming institutionalized. You're going to end up in somebody's prison. I don't know what's going to happen with those cases in the other county, but even in those other cases, if you end up going to prison or end up going to jail, do not become institutionalized. Get back on track. Whatever they do with those cases, if they sentence you to length of time, guess what? It's not a permanent sentence, right? At some point you finish it. So don't go, if you end up in prison, don't go there, start getting face tattoos and all of that, because that eliminates certain jobs that people would even been willing to look at you to hire you.
Yes,
Or
Your Honor.
either you're gonna end up spending a lot of money on concealer. Okay,
Yes, Your Honor.
all right. All right, are you asking the court to follow this agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so this is what the court is gonna do. The court is finding violation of condition number 1 true. The court is gonna revoke find you guilty. There's to be no contact with Kevin, Ricardo, Alvarez, Sandoval, Maybelline, Ashley Cortez. And the court will sentence you to 12 months in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. And the only reason why I'm doing that is because you truly have done a lot on probation. And if there were good requests for early termination, if everything would have been completed, I would have given it to you. All right, I'm showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you. Make better choices.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. And Adriana, what page is he on?
She says.
Hello. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 013358 State versus Pablo Valdez. Can I have parties announced?
Melissa Albert from State.
Dwight Chomley for the bench.
All right, are there any applications in this case?
No, Your Honor.
All right, counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Valdez, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Mr. Valdez, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
You're charged with theft of property less than $2,500 with 2 or more previous convictions. as a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes,
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mr. Valdez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 12 months in the state jail facility. There's a $1,500 fine. The state will take in consideration 2025 PF 38482. There's to be no contact with Target or Walmart. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes.
Defense?
Yes,
State?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and cite it in both places?
Yes.
By citing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions?
no,
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
State offers into evidence states exhibit 1 with the attachments.
no objections.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Here.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places, in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state would call in the right to remain silent.
Yes.
Did you understand by entering into this plea, the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, discussed this case and the other case with him, and he's remorseful about it. He knows he's pretty young. He's 21, but he's been battling addiction for a while now, and hopefully he'll get some help inside there for a while and come straight out to some sort of help. But other than that, he'd like to do time.
All right, so let me just tell you the way I see your life going. What is your drug of choice?
Meth and heroin.
All right, so what's going to end up happening? You're taking the easy way out. You want to do your time. I'll let you do your time. But you're going to go to prison, well, the state jail facility, and you're going to have all these good intentions. It's like, I found the Lord. I'm going to be on the straight and narrow. Then time when you hit freedom and breathe free air, one of your friends or somebody's going to come up to you and you're going to end up using, and one or two things going to happen. Either you're going to get caught before you use, which is going to be a possession case, or either you're not going to get caught and you're going to continue to steal to support your habit, or either the last time you use will be the last time you use and somebody's going to be identifying your body. So if you don't get your life together, that's what your future will be. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. The court is finding you guilty. The court is going to sentence you to 12 months in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. I'll request the therapeutic community
Thank you, Judge.
take in consideration 2025 PF 38482. There's to be no contact with Target or Walmart. And there's to be no contact with Adam A. Longoria. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right. When you're released, we can go off the record, when you're released from the state jail facility, if you can't find a place that can help you with your addiction, if I'm still here, you come back here, I'll pick up the phone, call a place to help you. All right?
Thank you.
All right. Good luck to you. Who's next?